might be thinking, that is terrible, but there is nothing I can do about it. Yes, you can, and your university is a great place to start. Join your university's USAS chapter, stay informed. Start a petition asking your school to purchase their university apparel from transparent garment factories. Shop socially conscious brands like Altagracia, the only collegiate apparel factory that pays a living wage. Be a part of Big Picture Solutions. Hold your favorite brands accountable. Learn about their supply chains. Use social media to let them know you support transparency and fair wages. Support eco-friendly alternatives. The textile industry is one of the most chemically intensive in the world, degrading local waterways and causing human illness. Look for natural materials such as organic cotton, hemp, or recycled fabrics. Consume less. It takes 1,800 gallons of water to make a single pair of jeans. Every garment fixed, acquired at a clothes swap, or purchased second-hand protects our Earth's most precious resources. My name is Nasreen Sheikh. I am a former child laborer in DePaul garment industry. Today, I am an anti-sweatshop activist. Change can happen. The fashion revolution starts with you.